Hello and welcome back to Mima's Crafts and Chaos. So I have these molds here, and if you follow Michelle on Glitz and Glitter, you've seen her do these. She's actually done some really pretty things with them, but I've actually had these molds for quite a while. They're actually one of the first molds that I bought when I started doing this. I did them once. I didn't like the way they turned out. So nothing even happened with them. They just kind of sat around, and then I never even cleaned the excess off of them. And then you can't, after it's cured, you can't clean it off. Anyway, I have mixed up my colors, got my colors mixed up. I haven't run it through my vacuum chamber yet. I just wanted to bring you in to let you know what I'm doing. I got one in the interference red, one in green, and one in white. And that's what we're going to pour them in. They each take about an ounce each. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw these in my vacuum chamber, and then I will be back after they cure um, to, well, maybe I'll come back for you. I'll come back to, um, to pour them. I will. I'll come back to pour them. So let me throw them in my vacuum chamber. Then I'll come back, we'll pour them, and then we'll wait for them to cure. See you in a sec. Okay. So I got these all run through the bubble chamber. Now let's go ahead and we'll fill these up. And want to make sure all of the tabs are at the top. So I'm looking in the right spot to make sure I have them all filled up. And that way I don't have to guess where they're at. Okay. Give them, I kind of sprayed them to clean them out, but we're going to give them another quick spray and get going on them here. I'm going to mix up just a tad bit more for each one of these because I don't quite have enough. They need to be domed and they're not domed. So, but I won't bring you back for that. I'll just go ahead and do that. And then I will just see you back here when they're done curing. Okay, thanks. Okay, I'm back. These are all cured up. I already unmolded them because they were kind of giving me a little bit of trouble. But this was the white one. Turned out really pretty. Looks like an actual snowflake. This is the green one. I was thinking that maybe it needed less of the powder in it, so it would have done more of a, more of a see-through with just the green in it. Kind of like the red one did. The red one's more like that. So, but anyway, I'm going to get them cleaned up, and then I'll come back and we'll put some gems or something on them to make them prettier. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay. All right. So what I decided. So this is supposed to be green. I know it doesn't look green, but I'm going to put the green gems with that, the red ones with that, and these silver ones with those. So I'm going to do maybe if I can get them picked up. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do, but I'm not going to make you hang around for it. I'll just bring you back when I'm done, so that so the video doesn't take up a whole lot of time. Plus, it's going to take me a minute to figure out where I want to put them all. Okay, so I'll see you back in a minute. Okay, I got them all cleaned up and got the gems on them. Did the green gems on the green one, the red gems on the red one, and these colorful gems on the white one. And I really like that white one. I think the white one turned out really pretty. So anyway, that's what we're all my mouth doesn't work. Anyway, that's it for this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to embrace your chaos. Okay? Bye.